What a lovely day. Today, I don't know quite how we got involved in this, but we're working for a customer that's just bought a new house. They're picking the keys up at 11. We've been asked to do an ombre wall, which is something we've never done before, but we're going to give it a go, see what happens. So yeah, they're picking the keys up at 11. It's now 22:11. We're probably about half an hour away from the job. Carpets go down on Friday, so the usual mental rush to get everything done. So we've just stopped here at Sainsbury's to pick up a coffee. We've got a little bit of a feature wall to go and do. They want an ombre effect, which is where the wall fades from one colour to another. So we're going from blue to white, blue at the bottom, white at the top. So yeah, we'll let you know how it. We normally use easy fill ready mix filler, but when we rub it down we find that it puts a lot of dust into the air, which we don't like really. It's not good for us, not good for the customer. So we found a product called Make Good. Found it in B&Q with the dry lining materials, and when you rub this stuff down, the dust seems to drop to the floor. It doesn't actually throw it into the air like easy fill. So we got on with it really well. Maybe if you're looking to change your filler, it could be a thing for you. Still this job at Winchester at 5 to 4, and we're just about to spray the walls and ceiling. Bought this Wagner 250M with help of Colin from the paint track. We managed to get on a stand, and also now pressure gauge, which we're going to put on there, which will help us know what pressure we're working at. So we're going to chuck that on there, plug that, add the hose, and see how we get on. It'll be quite handy now, because at least we know what pressures we're working at when we're spraying like emulsion and stuff like that. So when we cut this morning, as you saw from the other videos, all these walls were wallpapered. We weren't too sure what to do because we had only got a couple of days to do the job. So basically sorted out all the joints on the wallpaper and filled it up, rubbed them down, and we've given everything a quick spray coat of white ready for tomorrow. So see what happens tomorrow. This is the second small room we're doing. Again, stuck down the edge of the wallpaper, filled up where we could, and gave it a coat on the walls and ceiling with the sprayer, ready for the morning. So again, we'll see how it turns out in the morning. Morning. Day 2 on our way to Winchester again. Ryan's nipped to Costa to get some coffee. Apparently it's my turn to pay again. So yeah. Yesterday, like I say, we got there, it was a bit of a nightmare. We thought that we were just going to go on previously plastered walls, but then we got there and we found out that it's all been wallpapered. So, like I say, we've only got 2 days, so we had to try and get around it the best we could. So we stuck down the loose joints, filled up the walls, sprayed everything, ceiling walls with, super matte. Popping back there this morning now. I think Ryan's going around the small bedroom with some Caparol Amphibolin, which is a really good product, really hard wearing. I'm going to go around and do the top half of the room without fibbling, and then because we're doing this ombre effect, I'm going to go and then start painting the blue on the bottom. So yeah, let's see how we get on. This isn't the fun. We got it this morning. We put another coat on the ceilings, another coat of amphibian on the walls, water-based uncoated doors and door frames, and now we're just about to put put the base coat on the walls for this little trompe effect we're trying to go for. I've masked the scans because again we use water-based gloss at the end of the day, so I want to try and keep the two separate as much as I can. So yeah, stay tuned and let's see what happens. The way we went about this was sprayed the blue onto the white, let that dry, and then sprayed the white onto the blue to blend it a little bit. So I'm not sure it's the right way or not, but it seems to come out reasonably okay. Gonna get a bit of lunch and finish off after lunch. So.